Hey guys, today I am cleaning my very messy bedroom. This has been a project I have been trying to tackle for a really long time. As you can see, it is pretty bad. I am honestly super embarrassed about how it looks, but I don't spend a lot of time in here, and so it's not like one of the most pressing cleaning tasks that I feel like I need to do, and I know I have let it get a little bit out of hand, and I'm gonna try to get it cleaned and try to be better. So I pretty much showed the entire bedroom, but I only got a small portion of this done just because of time's sake, and then I planned on doing the rest of it soon after, but life got a little bit crazy. My daughter got head lice. I don't know from where, if it was at school or if somewhere else she got it from, but it just, life has been, like I said, kind of crazy and out of control, so I kind of had to put things on hold for a little while so we could take care of that. I am still deciding if I want to do a video about it. I am not really sure yet, just because it was kind of traumatic. Sounds maybe a little bit dramatic, but it was kind of traumatic for me at least. So I am starting off by just cleaning off the items that are on the floor by this vanity. So like I said, I was only able to get this done because of time. I had to go to a gathering after this, and I had to be there at a certain time, and I had to do a like an appetizer or like a food item to take to this. And this is how dirty my carpet is. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I'm so embarrassed. I let my daughter eat up here, and this is where I do her hair in the morning. And so that's one of the reasons why it's so messy. So I'm first just going to gather everything off of it, and then I will go ahead and clean out each drawer individually, but I'm going to wipe down everything. I used Murphy's oil soap for this, even though I'm pretty sure this is not real wood. I don't know exactly what material it is, but I'm pretty sure it's not real wood, but it did make it look really nice and shiny, I thought, just using this. So I took everything out of the first two drawers, and then I went ahead and finished the other three, and right now I'm just wiping down the front part of them. And this vanity is used for when I do my daughter's hair in the morning. That's why there's all those clips and hair items like ponytails and brushes and things up top, and then this next side is where I put all my nail polish. I have just like regular nail polish in this first drawer, and then excuse me, just a little bit lower down I have my gel polish and then my light. If anyone is interested, I did a video on the gel polish. It's called Mifa or Mefa, and I really enjoy it. I do my daughter's nails a lot, and that is all of the stuff that I pulled out of the drawer. So I'm just going to go back in and organize it. I probably should get rid of a lot of the nail polish that I have because it's pretty old, but I have kept it over the years just because my daughter is really into doing her nails. Although now that I have the gel kit, she kind of likes that a little bit better. And I do too, just because it stays on a little bit longer. I will go ahead and link it in the description box below. But like I said, I did do a video on the kit and kind of what my opinion was on that. And I put things back into the one side of my drawer, but then I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the other side yet. Also, I know that I'm wearing Halloween pajama pants and actually a Halloween shirt. If you can't see that, it says Casper on it, but I had every intention of uploading this before Halloween, but it didn't happen. But honestly, I like to wear my holiday clothing even a little bit after the holiday. So as you saw, I got everything put back into the drawers and I wiped them out, and then I vacuumed the floor just in this small area. Like I said, just for time's sake. And now I'm just cleaning the mirror on this vanity. I really, really like this vanity. I didn't purchase it myself. It was given to me by kind of like a family friend, and I think they got it and it wasn't the right color and they weren't able to return it, and so I absolutely love it. It fits really well in this corner of my bedroom, and like I said, I use it to do my daughter's hair, and I used to also work in this area too. I do like the little stool. The only problem is it doesn't have any back support, but if you're not sitting in it for very long, it's fine. And then I also have another chair that I use as well. And this is what it looks like when it's all clean. I was so happy to get this done. It looked so much better. And even though I wasn't able to get the entire room clean, I just felt even a lot better getting just one area done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you will stick around for part 2.